Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tukus Technology, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply for Finland study visa from home. So for applying for Finland study visa from Nepal, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan or any country outside the European Union, so you can apply from the website. So I'm going to show the website studyinfo.fi. You can do many research in this website and you can research your college. So at first I'll tell you how you can do research. So for the research process, you can go here downside and you can press on the how to apply for bachelor's and master. So you can scroll downside and here you can see list of bachelor's degree programs in university and University of Applied Science taught in English. So press on this. So I'll cross this. So here you can see list of different college and university teaching different course. So here you can select your course, and the main thing is that if you are applying for bachelor degree, then you can unselect US master degree because it will also show master degree choice. So I'll just untick this and just I will untick on bachelor's plus master. So then you can select your language of instructions. If you want course in English, then you can select course in English, but I think most of the students want course in English. So I'll select on this English, and here you can see Bachelor of Beauty and Cosmetic, and here are many courses. So I mainly focus on the information and communication technology, so you can focus on your one choice. So in order to choose your course, you can go downside and here you can see field of study. Then I will press on the information and communication technology. You can press on your one course, so press on this. So after that, many college and university your courses are listed, and here you can see different courses of information and technology are listed, and you can choose your course and you can choose your course according to your needs. So at first I'll show you how you can choose your course and how you can do research. Okay, so for that, suppose I like Bachelor of Engineering Information Technology, so I will press on this course. So after that, go downside and here you can see different university offering this course in different location. So here you can see Paitasari, sorry for the pronunciation because it is unknown place, and here you can see Coca-Cola. So you can just choose your place and you can choose courses. So I will choose on the Bachelor of Information Technology Daytime Study in Coca-Cola. So I will press on this and you can scroll downside and you can see description of the application. So here you can see joint application for this course is open, and the main thing is that you should not apply from here. You can apply from the front page, so you can do research from here only. So after that, you can see your fees structure here and the scholarship here. So for more info about the scholarship, you can just press on this and go on the read more about the tuition fee and scholarship, press on that. So after that, accept some cookies and go downside. Here you can see tuition fees and scholarship early bird discount, and this university is offering early bird discount, so that's the great thing. So I'll press on the early bird discount. So and tuition fee and scholarship for 2023 and or 2024. So I will press on the 2023 or 2024 because I want to study in this year. So I'll press on this, and after pressing on the tuition fee and scholarship for academic year 2023-2024, the fees and scholarship amount will be described here. So here you can see my course is information and technology, so all the course are listed here, and information and technology fee is 7,000 euro. And when you complete some points after studying there in first year, you will get 50% scholarship, that is 3,500 euro. So that's the great thing. In this way you can research your course fees and you can research your university, and in order to research different place you can go on the Google Maps and you can just search different place. Suppose I will search Coca-Cola. So Kokola, Coca-Cola, Finland. So here you can see it is one of the beautiful place, and you can just press on the different hotels, and you can press on the different apartments and you can source from here. So I think Coca-Cola is a beautiful place, and Helsinki is one of the good city in Finland, so you can apply there. And here you can see early bird, about early bird discount. Student gets an early bird discount of 1500 euro of the first year tuition fee if study place is accepted, and the tuition fee paid within 2 weeks after notification. After the notification, if we pay tuition fee, then we can get 1500 euro within the 2 weeks. Okay, so you need to pay your tuition fee after getting notification within the 2 weeks. So that's the main thing in order to get early bird discount. So in this way you can do research, and you can research on the refund policy. So that's the main thing. And here you can see different contact option here, so you can just contact on their professors and other. So in this way you can research different university. Now after completing your research, if you like that university, then you can just come here and you can just copy your university name. So copying university name is essential because you need to apply 6 university in joint application. So for that you need to make one folder or file of Word. Then after that you can just copy and paste it here. So here you can see I made a 7 list of university and their fees and courses. So in this way you can make a different university fees and courses list. So after completing this, you can apply for joint application. And for applying the joint application, you can go in the front side of the website, and you can just press on the front page. So and scroll down, here you can see joint application. So press on the application form. So after pressing on the application form, it will take a certain time, and here you can see there are different instructions to fill the form, and find out which study programs you are going to apply to in the joint application. So we need to find joint application study programs, and when you will complete research and when you will list out the different university, then you can fill this form. And in order to fill the form, you need to go downside, so and here are some instruction. I think consider the following on the application form. So application form cannot be saved as draft. So it is telling that it can be saved as draft. So you are required to answer at least mandatory questions marked. So if any questions are marked as asterisk, then you need to compulsory explain that question or answer that question. So that's the main question. So other questions are not essential if they are not marked. So here you can see different questions are marked, so these questions are compulsory to answer. And scroll downside, so I think most of the questions are compulsory. So here you can see all the questions are asterisk. So it is compulsory to explain all the question. And but application form, in order to apply for application form, you can add for a study program. So in order to add for a study program, you can just select here application options and just add study program. Press on the add a study program, and just what you have done research, select on that course and just copy it from here. And just I will copy it, and I will just paste it here. So no result is showing. So it is showing Bachelor of Engineering DP in degree program in information technology, full-time study, and it is showing in Bhasa. So Bhasa, I think it is I have researched in Coca-Cola, so I will search for Centria University. Okay, Centria University of Applied Science. So you can select by university or by course. So I will search on this. So okay, here are list of courses offered by Centria University. So you can see here different course: Bachelor of Engineering, Information Technology, Daytime Study, Coca-Cola. So it was the course that I was trying to approach. And you can press on the add option, and you can add your course. So one course is added. So in this way you can add 6 different course. And after completing this, you can move downside, and you can just fill your personal information. And here you can see you need to fill your first name, and you can fill your last name here, and personal information, nationality, you need to select your nationality, and you can just finish personal identity code. We don't have Finnish personal identity codes, so suppose I'm from the Nepal and I'll select Nepal. Okay, so you can select your country. So Nepal. So here is Nepal. So here you can see do you have Finnish personal identity code? No, you can press on the no. So date of birth, you can write your date of birth according to date, month, year. So it is listed here, and you can select your gender and place and country of birth. At first you need to show your place of birth. Suppose if you are from Botol, Rupandai, or any place, so at first you need to write the place name at first, and then after you can select your country of birth. So you can write your country of birth after selecting the place of birth. So after that you can write passport number if you have passport, and NID number. So after completing this, you can write your main email address where you can receive your mail, because email address is one of the most important thing in this application. So you will get all the details in the email address, all the codes, all the links which you need while completing the entrance examination. So these all things will be provided in your email, so you need a compulsory main email. So you can write your email and you can rewrite your email address. So after that you can give phone number for emergency contact, and country of resident you can select again Nepal, and you can select your address, and just in case of native language you can select your native language. And after that you can move downside, and you can select different option, and here are different contact language. Choose the language in which you wish to. So mainly you need to choose the English language in order to gain all the message in English. So that's the easy option. So all the things, so here you can see which application which study program you have completed. So you can select here. Suppose I have completed upper secondary education outside the Finland. I will select that. And have you completed general upper secondary or vocational qualification? Then in case of Nepal it is no. But if you have done any kind of the vocational qualification, then you can select yes. So here you can see different options, and just after uploading your passport, here passport ID page, so you can just upload your passport ID page. So after uploading all the documents, you can just press on the submit application. And here is the main thing, man. Here you can just enter your pin code, personal pin code. You can make your one pin code in order to use that pin code for the exam. So this pin code will be used in the exam, so written exam. So first phase is written exam, and second phase is interview type of the exam, so group discussion exam. So at first, in the case of the written exam, you need pin code, so you need to make your own pin code. So that's the main thing. And another main thing is that you need to provide your valid email address. So after completing this all application process, and after submitting your documents, you can just press on your submit application. So after completing, just you will get mail, and you can get mail in your own email address which you have provided here. So in this way you can fill joint application, and in case of separate application, you can fill separate application by just reaching the college or university website, or you can just go on the home section, and you can just choose on the course, and here you can see separate application. So you can fill the separate application by separately. So in this way you can fill online application for Finland University and University of Applied Science if you are studying from different country. So that's the video. If you like this video, then just subscribe our channel, and if you have any confusion, then comment below. So bye bye guys, see you soon. Hope I'll meet you in the next video.